Every wheel of cheese begins long before the factory, here, with the first light of day. Quality starts with calm animals and controlled environments.
Precision and hygiene are set before the first drop is collected.
Order and routine reduce stress and protect the milk.
Fresh milk is drawn gently, never rushed.
Every liter is tracked from the moment it leaves the cow. Cooling locks in freshness within minutes.
Sealed systems keep contamination out. Testing begins before transport ever starts.
Here, thousands of liters wait in cold silence.
The journey continues beyond the farm.
Every connection is sealed, every joint inspected.
Transport waits for no compromise. From cow to container, without exposure.
Freshness is protected every second.
Nothing leaves without verification.
The farm's role is complete.
Now, milk begins its transformation into cheese. Fresh milk must move fast. Time and temperature never wait. Even in motion, stability is engineered.
Cold chain control protects flavor and safety. Distance is bridged by precision logistics.
Human oversight remains critical.
Steel shields what nature provides. Verification never pauses. Integrity is visible and traceable. Momentum resumes toward transformation. The destination is purpose-built. Where milk becomes more than milk.
Controlled access protects the process. Identity confirmed at the gate.
Arrival is precise by design.
Clean transfer begins again.
The factory now takes control. Inside the plant, control shifts to engineered systems. Every route is sealed, measured, and monitored. This is where raw milk enters transformation. No one enters without decontamination. The heart of the plant begins at intake. Every variable is continuously watched. Raw milk is received, not yet altered. Volume determines the next step.
Energy replaces motion. Milk advances deeper into the system. Even the air is controlled.
Before processing, purity is proven. Traceability begins immediately. Milk approaches its first transformation.
Scale meets precision.
The vessels are ready.
Now, the real process begins. Before cheese can form, milk must be refined.
Final physical screening completes the clean. Uniformity is engineered. Safety begins with temperature. Time and heat work together. Flavor is preserved by speed.
Nothing proceeds without confirmation.
Clean milk is tested again.
Verification continues in parallel.
Cheese begins with balance.
Fat levels define the cheese style. Consistency is not accidental.
Milk is now ready for transformation. The foundation is set. Now, chemistry takes center stage.
Motion prepares milk for change.
Beneficial bacteria set the flavor path.
Even distribution ensures uniform taste.
Time allows bacteria to work. Acidity signals readiness. One ingredient triggers the transformation.
Milk begins to set.
Liquid becomes structure. The curd tells its own story. Structure is divided with precision. Cut size defines moisture. Liquid leaves, solids remain. Gentle motion preserves texture.
The core identity is formed.
What remains will become cheese. Now, cheese takes shape. The curd leaves the vat for shaping.
Gravity begins the next refinement. Moisture slowly leaves the structure.
Individual pieces become one body.
Size and shape are controlled by hand.
Turning equalizes texture.
For some cheeses, structure is layered.
Acidity guides texture and flavor.
Large masses return to small pieces. Uniformity prepares the final form. Movement replaces rest. Salt defines preservation and taste. Balance is constantly checked. Salt settles into structure. Shape is finally chosen. Even density ensures consistency. Pressure is ready. Pressure transforms curd into cheese. The curd leaves the vat for shaping. Texture exits as structure tightens. Solid form is revealed. Automation keeps momentum alive. Handled without human touch. Programmed.
Invisible data guides decisions.
Salt returns in liquid form. Timing replaces intuition. Conditions never drift. Salt seals the surface.
Preparation continues.
Cheese advances to refinement. Placement is precise and repeatable.
Air shapes texture as much as time.
The rind starts to form. Time moves the process forward. Even exposure prevents defects. Eyes that never tire. Protection is layered on. Sealed for longevity.
Others age openly.
Moisture is carefully returned.
Identity is permanently set.
Nothing passes unseen. Now, patience takes over. Time becomes the final ingredient.
Flavor deepens in silence.